You're scrolling through social media, eyes glued to a video that's already racked up over 111,535 views. It's a demo of the latest from Chinese robotics company Unitree, a robot with movements so fluid and lifelike, it's hard not to be captivated. But this isn't just any tech demo. It's a glimpse into a revolution that's reshaping every corner of our lives. This changes everything about how we think about AI, you mutter, because if a robot can move like that, what else is possible? Are your mundane tasks about to get an upgrade with the click of a button? But as fascinating as this new tech is, it raises a bigger question. How do you fit into all of this? Can you harness the power of AI, not just for spectacle, but for real, impactful projects? Imagine you're standing at the edge of a bustling expo floor, surrounded by curious faces and buzzing excitement. Every day, over 233,827 people are tuning in to learn about the latest advancements in AI robotics and automation. It's clear that the public is hungry for knowledge. Yet what if I told you that building your own AI-powered app doesn't have to be a daunting task? Enter Bolt.new and Replit Agent. These cutting-edge tools are revolutionizing how we build custom AI applications, making it easier than ever to turn ideas into reality. With Bolt.new, developers can quickly prototype and deploy AI models with just a few lines of code. And with Replit Agent, you have access to an intelligent automation platform that can handle complex tasks on your behalf. But why should you care about these tools? Consider the impact they could have on your business or project. Imagine an app that not only understands human intent, but also anticipates needs before a problem even arises. With Bolt.new and Replit Agent, this isn't just wishful thinking. It's becoming a reality for developers everywhere. Take, for instance, a real-world example from Pakistan's biggest robotics and AI expo. A developer there showcased an app built using these tools that could assist elderly users with daily tasks, ensuring their safety and independence. The response was overwhelming. Attendees were left both inspired and curious about what they could achieve with similar technology. But here's the kicker. Building your own custom AI app isn't just about tech enthusiasts. It's becoming a necessity for forward-thinking companies. As competition intensifies, those who can leverage AI to gain an edge will thrive. Are you ready to be one of them? As AI agents become more prevalent, a new course on agentic AI engineering with Python is gaining traction. With over 239,943 views per day, it's clear that the demand for skilled professionals who could develop and implement these systems is on the rise. But here's the rub. Are you ready to step up? Imagine this. Samantha Samik Lee, a keynote speaker at last month's Pakistan's biggest robotics and AI expo, emphasized the importance of education in her opening remarks. She said, as we integrate AI into every corner of our lives, the need for knowledgeable engineers and developers is more critical than ever. Her words hit home like a hammer. But can you keep up? The numbers don't lie. By 2030, it's estimated that there will be a 3.5 million shortfall in the global workforce to fill roles requiring robust AI skills. That's not just a prediction, it's a looming reality. And here's where things get interesting. Bolt.new and Replit Agent are leading the charge with their groundbreaking tools for building custom AI-powered apps. But without the right skills, you might be left in the dust. How do you bridge this gap? The Agentic AI Engineering with Python course is not just about gaining knowledge. It's about staying ahead of the curve. The course covers everything from foundational concepts to advanced practices, ensuring that by the end, you're equipped to build innovative solutions like never before. But can you keep up? Are you ready for the challenge? But here's what almost nobody is telling you. Building a custom AI-powered app is not just about keeping up with the latest advancements. It's about unlocking new possibilities, and Bolt.new and Replit Agent might just be the keys. Imagine you're standing at the edge of a cliff, looking out over a vast digital landscape. On one side, you see the towering giants of tech, their advancements a blur of speed and complexity. But on the other, there's an untapped potential, a place where innovation can flourish in simplicity and accessibility. That's exactly what Bolt.new and Replit Agent are all about. Bolt.new, a cutting-edge platform, has just released its latest version 3.0 with groundbreaking features that every developer should know about. It's designed to democratize AI development, making it easier than ever for anyone to build custom apps that can think, learn, and adapt in real time. Imagine being able to deploy an AI agent that can handle complex tasks like a seasoned pro, all without the need for a PhD or years of experience. And then there's Replit Agent. With its sophisticated natural language processing capabilities, Replit Agent not only understands your commands, but also anticipates what you might need next. It's like having a personal assistant that's constantly learning and improving to make your work more efficient. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, Replit Agent can streamline your workflow, making the development process faster and more intuitive. But here's the kicker. While everyone is obsessed with the latest AI breakthroughs at high-tech expos like Pakistan's biggest robotics and AI Expo, what most people aren't talking about is how these tools can be used to solve real-world problems in a way that's both impactful and accessible. Bolt.new and Replit Agent are not just platforms. They're gateways to new possibilities. Consider this. With Bolt.new, you can create an app that predicts maintenance issues before they arise, saving businesses time and money. Or use Replit Agent to develop an AI chatbot that provides personalized health advice, making healthcare more accessible for users worldwide. These aren't futuristic dreams. These are tangible steps towards a smarter future. So why is this important? Because it's not just about keeping up with the latest trends. It's about leveraging the power of AI to innovate and create solutions that can truly make a difference. The skills gap in AI development might be daunting, but Bolt.new and Replit Agent offer a pragmatic path forward. They're not just tools. They're stepping stones to unlocking new possibilities. You're sitting at your desk, staring at the screen where Bolt.new and Replit Agent are just a few clicks away. The promise of building an AI-powered app that solves real-world problems feels tantalizingly close. But have you ever stopped to think about what it takes to get started and how to ensure your app is both innovative and safe? With Bolt.new, the latest in low-code development for AI applications, the barriers are lower than ever. The platform boasts a massive jump in user engagement since its launch last month. Over 239,943 views per day, according to the groundbreaking course announcement on Agentic AI Engineering with Python. But it's not just about ease of use. Bolt.new also emphasizes safety and ethical considerations. Consider Unitree's new robot that has gone viral, sparking debates worldwide. As AI robots become increasingly advanced, echoes a voice from the robotics community. It's essential to consider the ethical implications and ensure they are developed with safety and responsibility in mind. This quote hits you hard, a stark reminder of the dual-edged sword of AI innovation. But Bolt.new isn't just about building. It's about creating apps that make a difference. Take a look at Pakistan's biggest robotics and AI expo, where innovation and safety are the watchwords. Over 233,827 views per day show how the public is increasingly curious about these topics. You can play your part by ensuring your app not only solves problems but does so responsibly. The course on Agentic AI Engineering with Python has set a new standard, showing that there's a path to becoming an expert in this field. But it's not just about coding. It's about crafting solutions that are both innovative and grounded in ethical considerations. As you navigate the tools of Bolt.new and Replit Agent, remember, your app can be a force for good, but it must also respect the boundaries of what's safe and responsible. But here's the catch. What if you could take those principles and apply them to something revolutionary? What if you could build an AI app that not only addresses a critical need, but does so in a way that sets new standards for safety and ethics? So what's driving this AI explosion, and how can you harness its power? The answer lies in building custom AI-powered apps with Bolt.new and Replit Agent.